everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a short recap of our Improvers Solo Paso Doble routine number 1. So the Paso Doble we had covered a couple of times in the beginners classes, but we just got a general feel for the basic moves. And now in the Improvers classes we're looking a little bit more at the styling and the character. So this is a little short recap. If you're looking in the full paid video library, the 2 full classes where we taught this routine, first part was on the 14th of February 2022, and then the second part on the 21st of March 2022. So that's the 14th of February and the 21st of March. They were the 2 full classes where we were building up towards this routine. But this is a quick couple of minutes, short recap, just so that you can remember the routine. So I'm going to make a little start. Right hand corner slightly towards the back of your space. Now again, obviously you're at home, you don't have much space. I appreciate that, the length of the steps are going to be smaller. Let me just walk it through. So we did the appel on our right foot, and then we walked off to the left front corner. Walk, walk, walk. We then did a little quick syncopation on the close, and then we came back. And then we did another syncopation and point. Now, let me speed that up a little bit. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. We then did some little side closes or some chassis, slightly curving because of the space. Side, close, side, close, side, close, side, close. We then marched on the spot and did some little arms. So I was marching on the spot and doing an arm. We used 8 counts for that section. We then did the posturing here. Grasp the hands in. We opened to the top. We did that again. We opened, and then we took it to the top. Now, let me count the whole thing through and add the arms and the shaping in as best I can in this very small space. Remember, there's normally a lot more drama with the Paso Doble. Very, very big movements. Okay, I'm going to do the best that I can. Now remember that ball, heel, heel up action. That's very specific to the Paso Doble. It's not just a heel ball, it's a toe, heel flat as we push on as best we can here. So I've got and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm on the wrong foot, that's my fault. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side, close, side, close, side, close, side, close. Arm, and arm. Posturing. Posturing again. And from here, we repeated everything again on the opposite side. So this time the appel was with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side, close, side, close, side, close, side, close. Arm styling. Arm styling. Posturing. Posturing again. That was section 1. Now adding on from this little section, we did a little drop and a little flick up. We crossed it over, we pivoted and flicked up again, and then we put it down. We then put the weight on that left foot, turned ourselves around, okay? I did it slowly for this particular routine. I used 2 counts. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and then slowly round. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we did some little Spanish taps or flamenco taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twice more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now on this 7, step back, and on the 8th, we did a small victory stance. That's the one where the hand is up at the top and at the back here. So here, if you remember, okay? So that was section 2, the leap in and the flamenco taps. Little pose. Section 3 was easy. We finished with a little displacement. So I'm going to walk forwards, forwards, forwards slightly to the side, and then close. Okay, that was it. All right? So section 2 from the leap in, down, up, down, up, down, round, round, round. Going in and up, and in and up, and in and up. Last one, little victory stance, and then our displacement. Okay, so that was the 3 little sections. Like I said, very short video. The whole lesson is there in the playlist. Look for that 14th of February 2022 and the 21st of March 2022. And over the course of those 2 lessons, we built up to that little short routine. Hope you've enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video.